Hello guys, this is the Creators Lodge and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so when next I drop an amazing video such as this, YouTube will notify you. Alright, okay, before we go into today's tutorial, I want to share with you guys. So in my last tutorial, I spoke about a photo editing course that I'll be dropping, that'll be coming out in this tutorial. All right, so I want to inform you guys that this course is out, all right, and currently it's on a discount. Okay, you are going to be gaining a lot from this course if you are a photographer, if you are a graphic designer, if you are a makeup artist, because I shared so many principles that you need to thrive in your business in this course. All right, I shared principles, so many things that you need to know. All right, and I made it so easy such that you can use 3 different applications to carry out these functions, such as sharpening your image, how to make your design pop, how to make your image pop, how to correct blemish on skin. All right, so just check below this video in the video description. All right, you're going to see a seller.co link that will take you to the site where you will be able to purchase my smartphone photo editing course. All right, I want to assure you that when you get this course, it's going to be of great value to you. All right, and also feel free to drop your reviews, feel free to send me a mail. I've attached my email to the site, so feel free to send me a mail if you are encountering any issue, probably in making payments, or you are encountering any issue whatsoever. Okay, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I mock up my designs. Now Mockup helps you to present your designs in a realistic way. It helps you to present your design in a way, the way it will look when it's printed out. All right, and most times when I want to give my clients a job done, a project, I want to send those works to my clients. Most times I send them as mockup. You could literally see that your client is having these goosebumps because they are happy the way you represented the design, the way you presented the design to them. All right, so mockup helps your design to stand out. It helps you to see what your design will look like when it's printed out, so you don't need to wait till when it's printed out. You will literally know what it will look like by using mockup. All right, and there are sites where you can use to create your mockup if you are not using a laptop, if you are not using Photoshop. All right, so one of these sites I'm going to be showing you guys today is a site called mockupbro.com. all right, now mockupbro.com has about 10 interface. So now at the bottom you are going to see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I think it goes down to 9, 10. All right, so there are different mockups here. All right, so for instance, the first mockup we are going to see here is a standing bottle. So how do you make use of mockup? When you are done with your design, all right, just bring your design and impute it in any of these mockup you choose, and it's going to reflect automatically. But this is what you need to note, guys. Note this. All right, now let's assume that you want to mock up an A4 flyer. All right, you can't place an A4 flyer in this, all right, this drawing on tablet screen mockup, because if you place your A4 flyer in this drawing on tablet screen mockup, it's not going to fit in completely because this tablet is not A4 size. All right, but your flyer is A4 size, so that you are going to see that there's going to be excess space on the left hand side, on the right hand side of this tablet. Okay, so one thing you need to note when you want to create your mockup is that the size of your design needs to be the same size with the mockup you want to use. Okay, for instance, in this this video thumbnail, let me show you how I created that mockup. All right, so now one thing about mockupbro.com is that it doesn't have a place where you can search search mockup that you want. You just have to be going on and on. So I'm going to click number 2, so that I'm going to show you guys what's in number 2. So once you click number 2, the mockups are going to change. So you can see the first one, stationary mockups. So probably you did a letterhead for a company and all that. You can actually use this simple stationary mockup, and you can see iPhone mockup, you can see wristwatch. All right, you can see a lot of mockups here. Okay, so for instance, maybe you made a picture birthday flyer for someone, you can actually frame it on this mockup, okay? And also probably you made a sticker for a product like this cleaner, okay? So but then I'm going to show you guys how I did that mockup you are seeing in the thumbnail of this video. So I'm going to click number 4. You can actually take out time to search it out and all that. Now, this is a book mockup, so probably you designed a book cover for someone and you want to mock up the book cover. You can actually use this. So there are many mockups here, but then for this particular mockup I used for my design, you are going to find it in let's go. Okay, so you are going to find it in let's go. Okay, so now you can see this is the mockup I used, sandwich board mockup, and I got it on the number 8. All right, you can see the number 8 slide of this page. So I'm going to click on it now. I want to show you guys. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to another page. All right, so in this page you are going to see this mockup is going to be highlighted, and then you are going to see upload. Okay, so once you click upload, you'll be able to upload your image on this mockup. All right, so the design I did, it's is the same size with this mockup, so I had no issues uploading it and just placing it on this board. So let's go to upload. I'm going to click upload. Now you can see the size of the board. So for instance, if you want to design something and you feel like placing it on a mockup, so first come to this site, choose whichever mockup you are looking for, and then look at this place here. You are going to see the size, then copy the size, go back to your Pixellab or whichever application you are using to design, and make your design that size so that it can fit in the mockup. All right, so I'm going to click upload and bring in our design. Okay, so here's the design. I'm just going to mark this. Now immediately I mark this, it's going to, can you see that it has fit into the box? Okay, so once I click crop and continue, it's going to reflect on our mockup. Good, can you see this? I'm going to zoom in. Can you see this? Can you see that that's reflected on our mockup? Now it's looking blurry because I've not saved this into my gallery. So once I save into my gallery, you are going to see the results of what we've just done. So once you are done, click on download. All right, so once you click download, it's going to save into your gallery. So it's downloading. So once it's downloaded, it's going to save. There are other mockups. All right, I've downloaded before, so I'll just download again. Now there are other mockups that you can actually explore here. This site is really amazing. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys another site right now, but this second site I'm showing you guys is a temporary site. Now one thing you need to note, guys, sometimes when you open this website, this mockupbro.com, and the other website I'm going to be showing you guys now, sometimes when you open the website, it might tell you that there's no internet connection and all that. So once you are seeing that, please, I will advise you to make use of a VPN. All right, a VPN can help you to access this website even when it's saying website can't load. Okay, so and I will recommend you use the Thunder VPN. All right, the Thunder VPN, or you can make use of any other VPN that you know how to use. In this video description, I'm going to drop a link for you to download the Thunder VPN, because I'm lucky today, I'm editing this video and I'm lucky today the website is going through, but sometimes there will be issues such that even if you have your data connection on, all right, the websites will refuse to load and all that. So once you make use of VPN, you turn on your VPN, you will be able to access this website. Okay, so let's check out the second website. Now the second website I'm going to be making use of is called Smart Mockups. All right, like I said, it's a temporary site. All right, now I'm going to click on Smart Mockups. Now this is the interface. Now immediately you open Smart Mockups, you are going to see an announcement here. They said we are set to announce the closure of our standalone operations as of September 27th 2004. Now the summary of what this the builders of this website is trying to say is that they can no longer hold the activities going on in this site. So once it's 27th of September, they will shut down the site. But then before they shut down the site, all right, you can actually do some great things. So here are some of the mockups you can actually make use of. But anyone you see pro, it actually means that you need to be on the pro version. You need to subscribe, okay? But then I will not advise you to subscribe since they are folding up soon. All right, but the difference between Smart Mockup and the previous website we checked is that this allows you to search. So once you scroll here and you click on this search button, you can search whatever you want. So you can see t-shirts, smartphone, and anything you want to search. So once you search, it's going to give you the result. So let me search for smartphone. you are going to see mockups that will come out. Okay, so and the same method you use in imputing your designs in the first website, that's the same method you are going to use in this this website to impute your designs. So this is how I mock up my designs. All right, so there are a lot of functions here. All right, so you can see you can impute your design on this smartphone. All right, and this is really amazing. So once you impute your design here, this is a pro mockup, so I wouldn't be using this. So but let's assume this is a free mockup. Once you impute your design, you are going to see where you are going to download at this place here. So once you click download, it's going to download to your gallery and you are good to go. But one disadvantage of smart mockups is that the images are not as clear as the other websites. All right, the images when you download them, they are not as clear as Mockup Bro. Okay, so I recommend Mockup Bro anytime, anywhere for smartphone designers. All right guys, I hope you try this out and check it out and start making use of it for your designs and start giving your clients shocking and amazing results. All right, thank you so much for staying to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and also share this video so that other creatives will see and will benefit from it. All right guys, see you in my next tutorial.